Wow, who would have thought that you can get paid to be a language police or be a grammar Nazi? I know that sounds weird, but that's actually what we've been doing for the past 18 months. Yup, we're getting paid an average of $2 each grammar mistake or spelling mistake we can spot. And this tiny $2 payment adds up quickly. Imagine finding 10 errors in one document. That's worth $20 in total. Now I know $20 doesn't sound like that much, but what if I told you you can work on a minimum of 10 documents within 1 hour? Let's do some math. One document with 10 errors equals $20. 5 documents with 50 errors equals $100. 10 documents with 100 errors equals $200. That's an earning potential of $200 an hour. Take a look at this. Just last month alone, we generated $2,940.11 with this just as a side hustle. All by fixing other people's grammar. Here's the best part. We don't have to do any of the work ourselves. After all, we're not even native English speakers. So fixing grammar or proofreading anything is out of the question for us. We developed the ultimate app that does all the work for us. Yup, everything. It works within minutes. Here's how it works. Click number 1, Find Errors. We use our AI-powered software to automatically spot any grammar or spelling errors. Click number 2, Get Paid. We submit the corrected document and we can get paid directly to our bank account. Doesn't matter where we are in the world. It takes just 3 to 5 minutes, start to finish. And once you're done, we get payments like this. But it wasn't always like that. Despite what you might think, it wasn't always this easy. In fact, I struggled a lot starting out. But not gonna bore you with a long, sad story. What I'm trying to say is that I had a similar start to you. I lost my job, got scammed for over $15,000, put hundreds of hours in with no results, almost lost all hope. Everything looked dark and gloomy at that point. I lost faith in myself. More importantly, my family lost their faith in me. They started to believe I was crazy, trying to make money online. But one day, it all changed. I remember it as if it were yesterday. I was scouring the internet as usual, reading blogs, forums, anything I could get my hands on. One day I found a post about how did one guy make $1,345.34 by fixing grammar errors in any website article. Yes, I still remember the exact number. I was curious, how on earth will I get paid to fix grammar errors? But since it didn't require any startup cost, I decided to give it a go. Next day, I was in shock. I woke up not expecting much. Around midday, I decided to check my account. And to my surprise, I found $38 sitting in my account. I knew right away I was onto something. I decided to scale it up. My butt was glued to the computer chair. And rightfully so. In that same week, I ended up making $393.12 in pure profit. My life was changed forever. Only one issue. It was taking a lot of time. I mean, the money was good and everything, but I couldn't spend 10 hours every day reviewing all articles, reading dictionaries, and researching on Google. It was time-consuming, but the money was good. So I had to find a solution. I knew that the solution to this was to automate it. So I called the only guy I know can do it, my friend Dave. He knows how to program better than I know how to slice bread. I offered to partner up and create automation software for my method. 6 months later, and many cups of coffee later, we finally had something that was proven and tested. Hi, my name's Arthur, and I'm happy to introduce you to PayingBee, the world's first system that pays you to spot grammar and spelling errors. Every time we use the app, we get payments like these. Wondering how this is possible? All thanks to one loophole found on any website online. Yes, any website. With our app, it's dead easy to capitalize on that loophole and get paid over and over and over. PayingBee does not just work for us. Take a look at just a few of our members' earnings. Alan M. Alan never made a dime online, but after 24 hours of accessing PayingBee, he managed to generate $130.42 in net profit. Sam R. Sam's the kind of guy who hates technology, so much that he doesn't even own a laptop. And because you can use PayingBee from your phone, he managed to bank $265.45 in net profit in just 36 hours. And all the way from Saudi Arabia, yes, PayingBee works for everyone, Ahmed M. Despite that Ahmed knows very little English, he still made $460.43 in net profit in his first few hours using PayingBee. All that is made possible by using the power of PayingBee. Oh, did I mention that you can use it from anywhere in the world? It works on your laptop or mobile. All you need is just an internet connection and you're good to go. Are you ready to join over 300 plus profiting members? It's very easy once you have the system. We left no stone unturned. Everything you need to start getting a plethora of payments is included into our system. Nothing else is required. It's probably expensive, right? Wrong. When I first started, I was in a really bad place. I had mountains of debt and barely any money coming in. And it killed me to see everything that can help me very expensive. I couldn't afford it, although I needed it the most. It felt like the system is designed to make the rich richer. Nothing makes me more angry than that. And although it took me 10 months and tens of thousands of dollars to develop PayingBee, I'm willing to slash the prices down for you, just to give the chance to anyone who seriously needs it to get it. You see, originally I charged $97 a month for PayingBee, but I won't charge you anywhere near that. Look, I'm 100% sure you've been burnt before, and I know you work hard every day just so you can survive. So for a limited time only, you will only pay a small one-time price. That's the same as a cheap t-shirt. That way I can make sure that the people who really need that system can get it. There is a catch though. While the system is impossible to saturate, our system can only handle so many customers at once. Because we want to give our members the best care we could and help each one of them to succeed, we can't accept more customers than we can handle. That's why we'll be closing this system once we reach that point. After that, you can't access it anymore. Oh, and I almost forgot, you're protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So if for any reason you didn't like PayingBee, just send us a message. We'll refund every single penny you paid. What are you waiting for? Click the button below and secure your copy of PayingBee at a low one-time fee. I'll see you on the inside.